chicken. Guys, I think I'm gonna start the video like, finally. I kind of need to put my head down when my bird is on me because she thinks like my little moles are food, so she like bites them. I have to like cover my head down like that. So, hey guys, long time no video. I don't know if you guys have like seen the video on my channel, but like when my niece was a baby, I did like a what's in the baby's head, like what the baby is thinking in her head thing, where I did like a voiceover and I was like pretending I knew what she was thinking. I was gonna do the same for my bird, but like, I don't know. I might do it still, whatever. Here's a scooter I just built up yesterday. I know a lot of you probably don't care. Tilt grips, Ethic Delta gas bars. Ow, 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 stop. Bird. Envy H-clamp SCS, not the HIC one. The District top cap slash spacer. Lucky Axis deck, which I got for free, which is why I built up the scooter. The only thing I bought was the fork and the grips. Shout out to Ricky for the grips. And then drone, fork, super light and super cheap, by the way. The Lucky toaster, not toaster, I don't know what wheel that is, but, and then Aztec wheel in the back. I kind of like the look of like a disheveled, kind of like distressed kind of look of a scooter. And I think part of that is just like using old parts. Oh my god. Bird. She just hissed at it.
People on that roof. They be doing stuff, Ricky.
Yo, what's up? This is Ricky. We over here at the Hughes stop, and right there, as you can see, there are people on the roof. We're doing MTV's rooftops today. Trains.
Platform people who take trains versus roof people who jump from roof to
Who
roof.
take planes.
Hey.
Hi.
Cardi B.
That train's got a lot of people